Here in the I button and description box below you will get complete playlist of set theory. Welcome to video number 3, and in this video we will be solving a very good question. Okay, yes. So before I start this video, I would request you to subscribe to my channel, and if you learn something from my videos, then please hit the like button and do share the playlist of this chapter, that is set theory, with your friends. Okay, please share the complete playlist of this chapter, okay, that is set theory, with your friends. In this way only you can support me, and it is just a request. If you do, then you are going to support me. Okay, yes, let us start. Represent the following sets in the tabular form. Okay, here we have two sets, that is set A and set B. Both are in the set builder form. Okay, if you see, okay, if you observe this carefully, then these both sets, that is set A and set B, both are in the set builder form, and we need to represent this set builder form in a tabular form, or you can say roster form. Okay, so let us solve the first part. First part says set A is equals to, okay, yes, here we have x. X is an element, or you can say x is element such that x is equals to 3p, where 1 less than equals to p less than equals to 5, and p is a natural number. Okay, yes, x is a, yes, x, what is x? X is element, okay, or group of elements. Okay, yes, where x is equals to 3p, and the range of this p varies from 1 to 5, including both, because here we have equals to sign also, so we need to include 1 and 5 as well. And what is p? P is a natural number. Okay, that is value of p is 1 2 3 4 5. Why up to 5? Because the range is from 1 to 5. So let us start solving this first part. Okay, yes, the elements of set A are in the form of x equals to 3p. Okay, here we have x equals to 3p, where 1 less than equals to p less than equals to 5, and the value of p, okay, starts from 1 up to 5. So it will be 1 2 3 4 5, because p is what? P is a natural number. Okay, it is provided in the problem. Okay, now since x equals to 3p, and when you put p equals to 1, x will become 3. Put p equals to 2, x will become 6. Put p equals to 3, x will become 9. Put p equals to 4, x will become 12. Put p equals to 5, x will become 15. In this way, putting values of p from 1 to 5, you get the values of p as 3 to 15. That is 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. So we need to represent this in a tabular form. Okay, so that this will become the roster form. Hence the given set. Okay, what was my given set? Yes, this was my given set, and this was in the set builder form. Okay, yes, so the given set in the tabular form is written as set A is equals to, yes, open this curly bracket or braces. Okay, brace 3 comma 6 comma 9 comma 12 comma 15, then simply close this bracket. Okay, yes, so this is the solution of this first part. Now come to the second part, that is b is equals to x such that x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Now here you can see, here we have an equation, that is x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. On solving this equation, we'll get two values of p, or you can see two values of this x. Okay, yes, or you can say roots of this x are what? Values of x. Okay, and that is the elements are the, yes, that elements are the part of this set B. Okay, so we can say that is the element of given set are roots of the given equation. The elements of the given set, okay, the elements of the given set are the roots of the given equation, and the given equation is x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Now simply solve this, that is x square, we can break this as minus x minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. Now take x common, x minus 1, minus 2 common, x minus 1. Okay, yes, here we can take x minus 1 common, and from here we are left with x minus 2 equal to 0. On solving this, we'll get x equals to 1 and x equals to 2, x equals to 1 from this part and x equals to 2 from this part. Okay, now we need to represent, okay, in the problem it is saying, that is represent the following sets in the tabular form. So this is a set builder form, we need to write this in a tabular form. Okay, how we can write? Yes, hence the given set, okay, the given set, or you can say the given set in a tabular form is represented as set B is equals to, yes, in between this within this braces we need to write elements, that is 1 and 2. So write 1 comma 2, and this is my final answer. Okay, thank you so much.